Good evening friends. Now I want to explain in salt hydrolysis. Next, second one, that is weak acid plus strong acid salt. Strong acid means this is acidic in nature, pH is less than 7. Weak acid means you take ammonium hydroxide. Strong acid means you take weak base ammonium hydroxide, strong acid HCl. They will combine, they will form ammonium chloride. This ammonium chloride upon hydrolysis, they will form ammonium plus Cl minus H plus and OH minus ions. Here ammonium plus is a weak acid, weak base, that's why it undergo hydrolysis. The equation for hydrolysis is ammonium plus water gives rise to ammonium hydroxide plus H plus. KH means degree of hydrolysis is equal to hydrolysis constant. KH is called ammonium hydroxide product by reactant. This is a pure liquid, that's why this is undergo constant. This is KH is equal to CH by C minus CH square. We know H is equal to square root of KH by C. Next, for this, KH into KB is equal to KW. KH is equal to KW by KB. Next, ammonium hydroxide will undergo partially dissociated. They will form ammonium plus weak acid, weak base. This is ammonium plus OH minus. KB is equal to ammonium plus and OH minus by ammonium hydroxide. That is concentration of H plus is equal to CH. Concentration of H plus is equal to CH. C into square root of KH by C. C is equal to square root of KW by KB KC. Concentration of OH is equal to KW by KC by KB. This is the equation for H plus ions. This is the KH per base, KW by KB, and also concentration of H plus is equal to CH. These are the three important terms in case of salt of weak base plus strong acid. Next, for problems, find the degree of hydrolysis and KH and pH of a salt. Weak acid HCOK 0.01 molar of Ka for weak acid. HCOH is 10 power minus 4. You know, weak acid plus strong base, concentration of H plus is equal to square root of KWK by C. This is the for weak acid and strong base. H is equal to hydrolysis constant. Degree of hydrolysis is equal to H by C. You substitute the KW, Ka value and C, you get 10 power minus 8. We know KH into Ka is equal to KW. For this, KH is equal to 10 power minus 10. pH is equal to, we know 10 power minus 4. Concentration of H plus is equal to, this is the 10 power minus 8, this is the 8, means basic. Weak base, strong acid, weak acid, strong base means basic in nature, we know. Next, this is about the degree of weak acid, weak base, strong acid and hydrolysis, and also based on that there is a problem. Thank you students. Next we discuss about the weak acid and weak base. Thank you very much.